Stunning image of Jupiter taken by NASA's Juno probe looks just like cream swirling in coffee. NASA's Juno mission tweeted the image, along with the caption, "A cup of Jove, Jupiter cloud formations resemble cream swirling in coffee in this new view captured during my latest flyby of the planet. It's over 580 million kilometers away from our planet, but a new image has revealed Jupiter's surface in incredible detail." The image was taken by NASA's Juno probe, during its 11th flyby of Jupiter. Swirling cloud formations can be seen in the northern area of Jupiter's north temperate belt. Juno captured the image on February 7 at 5:42 PST, 13:42 GMT, when it was about 5,086 miles, 8,186 kilometers, from the tops of the clouds of the planet at a latitude of 39.9 degrees. NASA's Juno mission tweeted the image, along with the caption, "A cup of Jove, Jupiter cloud formations resemble cream swirling in coffee in this new view captured during my latest flyby of the planet." The Juno probe is currently completing its 11th flyby of Jupiter, having reached the planet in 2016. The name Juno comes from stories told by the Romans, in which Juno was the wife of Jupiter. Images and data sent back by Juno are helping NASA to understand how the planet was made, as well as how it is changing with time. NASA's Juno probe has sent back a stunning image of Jupiter, showing the planet's vibrant cloud bands and storms in incredible detail. The image was taken by Juno on December 16, during the probe's 10th close flyby of Jupiter. A spokesperson for NASA said, "The dark region in the far left is called the South Temperate Belt. Intersecting the belt is a ghost-like feature of slithering white clouds. This is the largest feature in Jupiter's low latitudes that's a cyclone, rotating with clockwise motion." Stunning image of Jupiter captured by NASA's Juno probe looks just like a Van Gogh painting. The image closely resembles Van Gogh's famous painting, Starry Night. At the time the image was taken, Juno was about 8,453 miles, 13,604 kilometers, from the tops of the clouds of the planet, at a latitude of 27.9 degrees south. During the 10th flyby, Juno also captured an image of turbulent clouds in Jupiter's northern hemisphere, which was released by NASA last week. Juno was a little more than 1 Earth diameter from Jupiter when it captured the mind-bending view of the planet's tumultuous atmosphere, which closely resembles Van Gogh's famous painting, Starry Night.